Headings and subheadings in a document are used to present information in a hierarchical format. For instance, a document usually starts with a big heading before the main introduction of a topic, followed by relevant subheadings. You can use H1 to H6 tags to define headings in your website, where H1 defines the most important heading and H6 defines the least important one. Headings are displayed in different sizes by the browser. The content enclosed in H1 is the largest, and that in H6 is the smallest. You will learn how to set the size of content, its color, and font using cascading style sheets in another video. Here are some tips on how to properly utilize these tags to improve your page structure for search engine ranking purposes. 1. Don't use headings to make text bold. 2. Header tag, H1, H2, H3 etc., gives a specified amount of importance to the surrounding text on a page. So you can have as many H1 tags as necessary as long as you have the same amount of important sections on your page. 3. Usually one H1 tag is enough for the search engine to see what the page is about. 4. Multiple H1 tags on a website can trigger a penalty if you have other spamming techniques on your page.